$100 a month. That's all it takes to become a millionaire in America. I know, sounds like clickbait. It's not. I'm going to show you the exact math using real S&P 500 data in the next 6 minutes. And when you see how this actually works, you're going to be mad nobody taught you this in school. Here's what you'll know by the end of this video. The exact age you need to start, how much you'll have at 65, and the one trick that 90% of Americans miss, even when they are investing. Everything is based on actual S&P 500 returns since 1970. No projections, no fantasy numbers. Let's go. Here's the boring truth nobody tells you. The S&P 500 has averaged 10.4% per year for almost 70 years. That includes the 2008 crash, the COVID crash, the dot-com bubble. Through all of it, average return, 10.4%. So let's run the numbers. You invest $100 per month. That's about $3.30 a day. Less than a Starbucks latte. After 10 years, you've put in $12,000. You have $21,000. Already you doubled your money. After 20 years, $24,000 invested, $76,000 in your account. After 30 years, $36,000 invested, $228,000 in the bank. Now watch what happens at 40 years. $48,000 invested, $632,000 in your account. And at 45 years, $54,000 in, over $1 million in the account. That's the math, and nobody is hiding it from you. The Federal Reserve, bank rate, SEC, they all publish this. The problem isn't the information. The problem is who hears it. Now stop for a second. Because when most people see these numbers, they think, yeah, but I'm 35 already. I missed it. That's exactly what habit number 2 of last week's video covered. Emotional thinking about money. Here's the truth. Starting late is still better than not starting. Let me show you why. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, you'll want to. I'm publishing the exact math for every age group in upcoming videos. Subscribe to not miss those. Let's say you're starting at 35. You have 30 years until retirement. If you save $100 per month, you'll have $228,000. Decent, but not life-changing. Now what if you bump that to $300 per month? $108,000 invested. $684,000 at 65. Still not $1 million. But here's where it gets interesting. What if at 35, you commit to 2 things? 1. $300 per month invested. 2. A small skill upgrade every 90 days to grow your income. Year 5, you're earning more, so you bump to $500 per month. Year 10, you're at $700 per month. Year 15, $1,000 per month. When you compound rising contributions with the S&P 500 average, by 65, you're past $1 million. Easy. The math doesn't care about when you start. It cares whether you stay in the game. But here's the trap. The trap that 90% of Americans fall into even when they are investing. This is the part most finance channels won't tell you, because it's uncomfortable. Most people doing $100 per month are doing it in the wrong account. They're putting it in a regular savings account, a high-yield savings account, a CD, a retirement fund through their employer they never look at. These earn between 0.5% and 4% per year, not 10.4%. Difference at 40 years? In a 4% savings account, $114,000. In an S&P 500 index fund, $632,000. Same $100. Same effort. Same 40 years. 5 times the result. The mistake isn't not investing. The mistake is investing in the wrong place. If you have a 401k at work, log in today. Make sure it's invested in a stock index fund or target date fund, not just sitting in cash. If you don't have one, open a Roth IRA. Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, any of them, free to open. Takes 15 minutes. Then automate the $100. That's the entire game. Let's recap. $100 a month in the right account for enough years becomes $1 million. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-wealthy-slowly certainty. The math doesn't lie. The S&P 500 doesn't lie. Time doesn't lie. But here's the catch. And this is the only thing that decides whether you end up with that $1 million. You have to start. Not on Monday. Not next year. Not when you earn more. This week. If this video helped you, drop a comment with your age. I'm building the Good Money America community to help everyday Americans actually build wealth. And I want to know who's here. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. Take one step today. We'll see you in the next one.